Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're going to learn about one of the most courageous and inspiring chapters in American history, the Underground Railroad. Despite the name, it was not a real railroad and it was not underground. So what was it? Let's discover how the Underground Railroad helped free enslaved people and change the course of history. In the 1800s, slavery was legal in the southern United States. Millions of African Americans were forced to work without freedom or rights. Many of them wanted to escape to the north, where slavery was illegal. But escaping was dangerous. If they were caught, they could be punished or returned to slavery. That's where the Underground Railroad came in. The Underground Railroad was a secret network of routes, safe houses, and people who helped enslaved individuals escape to freedom. Those who helped were called conductors, and the places where people hid were called stations. The enslaved people seeking freedom were called passengers. Conductors guided passengers from one station to the next, often traveling by night and using code words and signals to stay hidden. One of the most famous conductors was Harriet Tubman. She was born into slavery, but escaped and then returned to the South many times to help over 70 people find freedom. She risked her life to guide others and became known as the Moses of her people. The Underground Railroad extended beyond the United States. Some routes led all the way to Canada, where slavery was also illegal. It's estimated that more than 100,000 enslaved people escaped with the help of this secret network. The Underground Railroad was not only about escape, it was about hope, bravery, and the fight for human rights. The people who risked everything to help others believed in freedom and justice, and their actions continue to inspire us today. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know how the Underground Railroad helped enslaved people reach freedom and why it is such an important part of American history. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.